everyone, here we are again, TJ Trek 365, back underneath our camper. If you didn't get a chance to watch our previous video, we installed our backup rear view camera from the truck and installed it to the back bumper of the camper yesterday. And while we were down here, we noticed that some of these sheet metal screws that we use to clamp the cable to the camper are missing over here. So we're going to take one of these screws out and take it down to the local hardware store, do some research and see, look at our fellow YouTubers and see if they've ran into this problem and what they do. Big shout out to Taylor Dzaman. We watch his videos quite often, and also Phil with Down to Mob. They're both great. We like them and we do follow them. I'm going to go ahead and take out this screw. And it looks like it's a panhead screw or a sheet metal screw. Take that down to the local hardware store. Pick up some replacements, probably about 3 or 4 that we're going to need. And then when we get back, we're going to use a silicone sealant, put it on the screws, and then put those back in there so everything is weather tight and ready to go for our next trip, which is coming up real soon. Coming trip to Utah, Wyoming, and Montana.